Welcome to Chef Boy Artie. Hey, it's been a while since I've made another recipe, so today I'm going to do something special. Now that we're in this bad recession, we have to be budget minded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you budget crock-pot barbecue chicken. So sit back and enjoy. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to be using these ingredients. We're going to be using the Casey style barbecue sauce by, generic, store brand. So you're saving money there. Then you look out for bargains. Yes, if you look at that, look at the sale on that. So this is Cajun seasoning chicken breast. So I'm going to put about 2 of these in the crock pot, and we're going to let that cook on low all day. So this will turn out really yummy. Alrighty, we'll put chicken breast number 1 in there, and number 2, and that should cook all day. Alrighty, let's start putting this in there. And you know what? This should make the chicken just fall to pieces and be real nice and tender. So set that on low, and we'll see you in a few hours. All right, folks, time to dig right in. Get a plate or a bowl and well, I let that cook all day, and boy, look at all that. Boy, did that meat fall into pieces. So look at that. Wow, look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Well, thanks for watching. Please click on the icon in the lower right hand corner and you'll be subscribed to my channel. And also don't forget to ring that bell. You'll be notified when my next video is uploaded. So take care and make some more yummy food and keep on eating.